Okay, we're starting our hiking here at Timpanogos Trail. It is about 3:30 in the morning. There's Genevieve. We have our lights on and our anyway, but it's this is going to be a round trip 15 to 16 mile hike. It's cool here. It's probably about 60 degrees at the mouth of the trail or the canyon, whatever you call it, and it's probably going to get colder as we get higher to a higher elevation. That's it for right now. So it's about 6 o'clock in the morning, still very early. Lots of hikers already coming in, so we're just waiting here a little bit, letting people pass. Anyway, so okay, we're 5 miles into the 7. Lots of clouds over here, lots of hikers coming in. There's like people tent camping over on that side, and you have Genevieve in the back. We're probably about 10,200 feet above sea level in this area, and it's really beautiful, but I don't know if we'll be able to see the peak, but it's pretty nice. All right, the clouds are going away. It's pretty cool. See this area right here. Okay, we're about 6 miles into the 7. This is the view over here. I'm just gonna turn around so you guys get a glimpse of Timpanogos. Yeah, that's how it looks like. It's pretty misty today and chilly, but it's pretty good overall. We've been hiking for probably 4 hours, and
4?
yeah, no, 4:30.
Stop!
Yeah, like 4.5 hours. So pretty cool. Anyway, that's it. I want you guys to see this, and I'm gonna switch it over to this side right here. It is really beautiful. Lots of flowers. Look at that. So colorful. Which one?
The pink.
Yeah.
And the purple.
Check that out. So pretty, right? There you go. It's crazy, huh? So we're probably about 11,000 feet above sea level here. Genevieve's right there in front, and it's misty. We're gonna try to reach the top. We've been hiking for 5 hours. Close to the saddle actually, but it's been misty, hard to see. Anyway, saddle's just right there. Okay, this is the saddle. Nothing to see because it's so foggy, but I just want to show a 360-degree view of the valley that's covering. Anyhow, but it's pretty rocky, as you can see, and it's cold. The wind is blowing, but it's cool overall, and I'm going to be coming back here just because This right here is kind of like a small falls, and this right here is a perma snow. Looks like a glacier to me. Anyway, but I want to get close enough to it. It's crazy. Look at that. Anyhow. There's Genevieve right there, walking down. She injured her knee, so she's suffering a little bit. Good thing we brought ibuprofen, and so that helps probably a little bit. But there's a lot of rock debris on this side. But look at how beautiful this is, right? Just phenomenally. It's really beautiful. Okay, so we have a couple of hours before we get to the trailhead, and we had a really good time hiking this place. So you can see in the background right there. It's pretty, right? And then you see over on that side, there's a lot of snow. This year we had a lot of snow. Winter was heavy. So normally, well, not normally, but I heard that parts coming over here, Utah had droughts. And so this time of the year, this area right here is no longer really green. It's pretty dry and no more plants. Anyway, this year you can see there's a lot of snow and greenery here, and okay, we're almost finishing our hike. We're probably a couple miles out, but I do want to document this still. My battery's running out, but again, just showing the scenery over here. It's just really gorgeous. Can't go wrong at this place. But man, it is a tiresome hike. I think we had like 4,500 vertical. Anyway, I may be wrong on this one, but it was a tough hike. The meadows are really good, and then the scenery, the flowers. It's just really, there's an abundance of flowers and vegetation. So I think I'm going to be doing this again because it's really awesome. So that's it.